This is Break My Heart by Dua Lipa. The finger pattern is first and second finger together on the A and the E string. And it is the verse. And we're going to start in an up bow with third finger on the D string. So to break that down, it is up bow, third finger on the D string, and then third finger on the A string. So it goes 3, 3, E, E, 1, 1 on the A, 3, 2, 1, A, 3 on the D. So again, it's up bow, 3 on the D, 3 on the A, open E, 1 on the A, 3 on the A, 2 on the A, 1, A, 3 on the D, 1 on the D. The next phrase starts on a down bow and it sounds like this. Starts on 3 on the A string. To break that down, it's third finger on the A string, open E, first finger on the A string, third finger on the A string, second finger on the A string, first finger on the A string, open A, first finger on the A string. 3 E, E, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A, 1, 1. The third phrase starts on the E string, down bow. Break down that third phrase. E1, second finger beside first finger. First finger on the E, open E, 3 on the A, first on the A, open A, third on the D string, first on the A string. Again, that's open E, 1 on the E, 2 on the E beside the first finger, 1 on the E, open E, 3 on the A, 1 on the A, open A, 3 on the D, 1, 1 on the A. And then the fourth phrase, there's 2 rests that you count. Rest, rest. Again, that's rest, rest. Broken down, it is third on the D, open A, 1 on the A, open A. So we play that all together. Rest, rest. Once more. Two, three. When you're learning it, it can sound a little bit rigid. So let's try and play it with a little bit more feeling. Okay, so remember, first phrase is up bow, second phrase is down bow, third phrase is down bow, fourth phrase is down bow. So let's go. And then you're going to repeat that once more, and that is the full first verse.